Now I do want to put some shadow under the chin and over here. So to do that, I am going to wet this area. I'm going to wet under here. And I'm going to bring it down around the foot, under the hand, the chin here, a little bit over the hand. Wetting this whole thing, even though I don't want it to travel that far. I'm wetting it so that it has room to travel, and I want a nice soft gradient because it's a shadow. So I wet the hands because they are behind the foot and kind of under the chin. I did not wet the feet because the shadow should not be on top of the feet. Those are forward. So those are not in shadow, they are above the chin, in front of the chin. Okay, so I'm just going to give that just a second to dry slightly because I don't want it to be I don't want it to be so wet that it just drips right down. So I want it to just go a little bit. So I can test it by just dropping a little bit here and seeing how far it goes. That looks pretty good. So I can kind of just drop some of this in here like that. Drop that. I'm going to go right under this chin, right under his chin, and right this way, right over here. Okay, so that lifts his head from his body, gives him a little depth. He starts to lift off the paper a little bit. It's very subtle, which it should be. It shouldn't be in your face. It's a shadow.